Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I'm doing a video I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and it is my Syngonium collection. So if you're interested in seeing the Syngoniums that I own currently as of November, I don't know today's date, I think November 10th, 2019, then keep on watching. Alright everybody, welcome back. So let's get right into my Syngonium collection. I guess I want to give you a little bit of a backstory first. Syngonium, the Syngoniums were the second plant that I personally started growing like on my own. I've always grown up with plants. I was born in the Caribbean, Haiti to be exact, and I grew up with a lot of plants. And coming into America, my mom always had plants around me. So when I got older, I started to take care of, like, you know, my own plants and whatnot. And the first Syngonium in this video is going to be my first Syngonium. I got this plant in 2011, and I got it at the job that I was working at. I worked at a chiropractic office when I turned 17. So I just took a cutting from that plant, and it's been in my life ever since. So I'm gonna move this fiddle leaf fig tree, aka Toby, over for you guys. You see how tall Toby is. So I'm going to for sure do a video panning you guys to see this plant exactly. It's a little hard to move because it's in the foreground of the window, or the background, deep background of this video. But this plant reaches all the way to the top of, you can probably see from the mirror reflection, this plant reaches all the way to the top of my window frame, which is really tall, at least like 14-15 feet to the windowsill. And it's grown. I remember one time I went out of the country and I had a friend like pet sit and house sit for my mother and I, and he forgot about my plants. And I came home to a dead Syngonium. I'll actually try to insert a photo of this plant when it was like in one of its younger years, not quite mature, but it started to grow in like length and height. So this Syngonium is my first Syngonium. I think it's the Syngonium white butterfly or something like that. I'll, you know, put the correct nomenclature somewhere in the video. So yes, that was my first Syngonium. So my second Syngonium, and this is in no particular order. Also, this video is not about who I got before the other. It's just in general all my Syngoniums at arm's reach. So my second Syngonium is my neon pink Syngonium. I love this one. It's so pretty, so cute. So that's Syngonium number 2. I love the contrast between the top of the leaf and the underbelly. It's this green. It's green on the underside, but like a neon hot pink on the top side. So this plant I actually want to repot soon, but I think I'll just wait till the spring to repot pretty much most of my plants. I want to transplant a lot of them into terracotta pots, and then also use smaller plots to transplant smaller plants into a bigger pot. So yeah, Syngonium number 2 is my neon pink Syngonium. So for my third Syngonium, it is this Syngonium right here. I forgot what this kind is called, but it's like the darker rubier Syngonium. It's not the regular green. And I love about this And I love this plant in particular because it's good to have a nice contrast within the foliages of my plants. I love just the green, of course. You can never go wrong with a nice, just green, happy, chlorophyll, photosynthetic plant. But Syngonium number 3 is this beauty right here. And for the last Syngonium in my collection, actually second to last, is this huge one. This baby deserves to be repotted. I've had this since maybe 2015, and it's gigantic. And I also made a video about it in regards to how to fix a leaning plant, so I'll tag that somewhere here too in the cards. So the last Syngonium, I'm going to do a panning of it. It's on a shelf and I can't really remove it because it would just distort everything on the shelf. But that's another cutting from my white butterfly Syngonium. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video featuring my Syngonium collection. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here. And let me know, do you have Syngoniums? Do you like Syngoniums? Because I think they're pretty basic plants to have in anyone's collection. They're hardy plants. They're faithful plants. They're vining. They're aroid-ish. Like, you can't go wrong with Syngoniums. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.